Okay, so we're gonna be looking at how to use our laser cutting template. So first thing you wanna do, you wanna change your sheet name and title it according to the material that you're gonna be using to cut. In this case, I'm just going to type it as a triplex, and then we'll go ahead and copy the drawings that I want to laser cut, and I will move those into the sheet. So it's always important your drawings need to be within the red boundary, because most of the time the edges of the material is not even, or when you try to line it up with the laser cut, it might shift a bit. So just to be on the safe side, you always want to have that 5 millimeter safe margin. And then once that is done, we're going to start matching the properties of the template to our line work drawing. And yeah, you can see I'm basically just matching the template lines with my lines to make sure that the laser cut knows what's the external line and what's the internal line. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and do all of that, and then now I'm gonna also color in our scribe lines. So I think this approach works if you are dealing with like a small quantity of drawings, but once you start doing a large quantity of drawing, we want to look at the approach of just changing, doing like a multi selection, and then change the property details, like you basically just change the layer of the drawing. And yeah, I'm also showcasing you the layers. This is what your layers need to look like. But even when you open on the top drop down, you should be able to see the layers. Now I'm gonna show you the second approach, which is the one where we use the properties. We basically just select everything. I mean, you can start by typing in properties. If it's not showing on your toolbar, and then you see it will pop up. Once it pops up, select everything, and then you just basically change the layer. Once you change the layer, it will automatically adapt your drawings into the layer that you change them to. Then you do that same you do the same thing over and over. Make sure that you change all your line work to the relevant layers. And I'm just gonna go ahead and change these ones to scribe, and then I will change this one to internal cut. And then once that is done, I'll just arrange my drawings to be close to each other so that I can save some materials. Yes, and then yes, and then, yeah, that's perfect. And then the other thing that you can also do is to, like, let's say you have multiple pages, so you kind of want to copy this very same sheet or layout, and just place it over, on the right hand side or below. It's up to you. And okay, just copy this, copy, and then yeah, paste it there. And then I just do a little demonstration by copying these existing drawings and paste them into that sheet. Maybe I'll try and mirror them. I'll just go ahead and mirror. Then I do not want to keep the copy, so I'll just say, I do not want to keep the original, and then I'll just go ahead and say I want to erase the original, and then once that is done, I'll just change my sheet name to 2, and that should be it. So that's basically how you arrange your drawings.